Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone doing? Oh man, I'm so fucking lazy. Ah, lovely. That's very good. A nice yawn to start off the stream. That's the perfect thing you can do. All right. So, hi Kumar. Hi bro. Hi Liada. How are you all? Cool. Let's start off. Let's start off by talking about how good price action has been. Well, not really. Not today. Not in the London session. Had a loser in the London session. Was not really fun, but that's fine. It's part and parcel of the game. But it is what it is, and you move on, you carry on, you keep doing what you're doing. That's okay. What do I expect from the market today? I think in my morning brief, I was pretty clear of where we are in the market. We are in no man's land right now. Why are we in no man's land? So we have swept this sell side liquidity. We could not push below this. Oh, wanted to change my display Discord name. And after that was out of Discord. Could you let me back in? What was your Discord name, bro? Could you send me that and I can you can try to join again? Can we put the QR code for Discord? There you go. That's our Discord QR code. Just scan it and join. Oh, Osiris. I was surprised as well, Osiris. Let me be honest with you. Because you liked something and then suddenly you left and I saw the left thing. I'm like, what the fuck? This guy just liked it and then he just left. So I was surprised. I was like, I don't know. Maybe you didn't like something that you wanted to see. But yeah, but cool. All right. So hope you didn't change it to Squid Trade. No, he didn't. All right. So let's get back. I mean, we have 10 minutes. So we are in no man's land right now. The reason we are in no man's land is because we are getting rejected from this daily fair value gap. And that's a good rejection, right? In my, uh, I know I like the your DC Discord channel. Okay. So it's a good rejection from the top. So I'm liking this rejection right over here. But the thing is, I'm keeping my mind or my eyes or my brain or my everything open to this sell side liquidity being the turtle soup. Okay. I want to have both sides of the market, guys. It's as simple as that. I don't want to go into a session thinking, oh, I'm just bearish and miss out on everything else. So I want to keep this session in there. How I want to play the market is if we open and don't push down and we start going higher, there is a long opportunity for around 100 points to this daily gap, which I want to keep an eye on. But let's say we go above the daily gap, then I want to basically start looking at this turtle soup right up top. So basically a retest of 29,739. I'm just open to both sides of the market, just trying to measure my moves and make sure that it works out. Overall, I think the price action will decide what it wants to do. Let's say we start dumping. Where do we intend to go? So on the 90 minutes, you have nice little back-to-back fair value gaps right over here, right? So your first target will be this area. I think this will be your first and final target. So 27,100 to 26,500 area will be the bottom of this market structure. And I think that should be it if we start going down. If we don't, we are in the perfect place where I would expect a bounce from. Now, we went below this little BPR right over here. All right. We went below it and we straight away bounced back up. So simple, keep your options open today. Market could go either way. I don't want to put my money right now on where it wants to go. I want to be like, how does it open? What does it want to do? If I get a trade, great. If I don't, I'm still happy. I don't want to overexpose myself. I don't want to have an underexposure as well. So yeah, let's see. So my system lags. Oh, that's fine. Cool. So I don't want to be underexposed or overexposed. I don't want to take an opportunity which is not yet ready and to basically take an opportunity which has passed by. So if I don't get any trade, I'm happy. If I get a trade, I'm happy. Both sides, I'm happy. So that's how we should enter this session, and that's how we should trade this session. All right, perfect. Before we move on, I just want to see intraday liquidity. Is there anything that we need to worry about? So Asia high, New York PM high are right next to each other. I would not be so concerned about it because of this. So as you can see, I'm going to get rid of this just to show you what I mean. So this was the high that the market made yesterday around 3 p.m. All right. After that, it went down to push higher to sweep this high. But see what happens after market opens. Opens, does a turtle soup and gets rejected. So even though they are available right now, both those highs, I treat them as not available. Okay, for me those highs are now out of the window and gone, and that's not a liquidity I'm looking at. What I'm looking at though is basically this area. It's been a couple of tries into this fair value gap. I want to see how we react. Then we have these back-to-back fair value gaps over here, for which the target is New York PM high, believe it or not. Well, might change my thesis, but let's see. I'm not going to say it's gonna change my thesis. I'm just going to relax and let the market come to me. Overall, price is looking good. We will get a direction. The moment we get a direction, we will trade that direction. It's all about how do we open, are we trying to do. Maybe wait for the first 2 to 3 minutes to get some sort of indication and then jump into the trades that we want to. 5 minutes, again, back to back fair value gaps, nothing more than that. So let's use the 5 minute back to back. They're much more cleaner. So this is better. Yeah, I'm going to use that 5 minute back to back fair value gap. And what I want to see is that the market try not to push below these areas. Even if it pushes below, I don't want it to go below this. So there is a nice BPR right over here. So I don't want the market to go below this. So this is the decision point for me. So I'll just mark it, and I'll mark it as FEGLTF so that it's visible on all the time frames. So this is the area that I'm going to be looking for a long from or a short from. Below this, it's all short. Above this, it's all long. If you are if you want to trade some other strategy, the only thing that I would say is keep an eye on this candle. Any closure below this candle is a short opportunity for you. Until this price is above this candle, you can stay, bullish. And anything else that I see here? There's a nice inverse head and shoulder setting up. So this could be fun. All right, so this could be fun. There's a nice lower time frame inverse head and shoulder that might set up. And if we are able to break out, we might get a good move out of this. So just keep an eye. Yeah, good to keep an eye on that. Let's see. Let's see. So Kumar is saying we have 15-minute back-to-back FVG. Yes, oh yes. Thank you, Kumar. I saw that as well. Steve, hello. And Zede, how are you, brother? So was Osiris able to join again? Osiris, you haven't joined again. I think you don't like me. Did you get the, can you post the Discord server link, producer, please, into the comments, please, in the comments, please, so that he can copy, or you can scan the QR code, Osiris. I know you love us. All right, so quickly, let's look at what other assets are there in our world. Bitcoin is fucked, man. Bitcoin is fucked. It's not working. Just producer, can you post it in the chat, please, and Osiris can take it from there. Man, my thesis is playing out, so that's good. What if I'm really correct on this market maker model, and the price basically just goes back to 15K? Fucking hell, I'm gonna be so happy. Some people have been telling me they're buying crypto right now, and I'm like, you are gonna get fucked, my friends. I feel Michael Saylor was just testing out his buttons, whether the sell button really works or not, when he sold those 33 Bitcoins or whatever. I think he was just like, oh, does my sell button work? And then he realized it works, and he's like, fucking hell, yes. All right, so your screen is too small. Oh, is it better now? I've been streaming like this for last couple of days, Ilyada. Is it better? Better. All right. So Squid Traders is saying, can I show the head and shoulders that you did a couple of minutes ago? I mean, I'm Squid Trader, so it's this one. And the shoulder is forming right now. I like to trade head and shoulder pattern, but with the, yeah, I know my order section is shown because it's just there. It's okay. Let me try to see if I can undock this and bring it on. I can't bring it on the other screen. So I'll just put it down here. So much more bigger now for you guys. Or can I dock it under here? No. Or up here? No. Dock to the right. I'll dock it to the right, man. It's much easier for me. It's out of the way. I know it's a little smaller. I can make it a bit more smaller if you want. I can't. Sorry. Deva is all about head and shoulders today. Yeah, man. Deva loves head and shoulder. All right, cool, cool, cool. All right, so let's wait 1 more minute to go to market open. Let's be, by the way, if anyone has any questions, feel free to ask them in the chat. I'm happy to answer. People on Twitter, the 7 of you, you come here every day, but you never join the Discord. So if you are not on Discord, do bloody join Discord. It's fucking free, guys. I don't charge money for people to be in Discord because I don't pay money for myself to be on a Discord. So it's free. Just join in. Join in for the chat or if not anything else. And people, if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. So subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Twitter, subscribe to, I don't know, Kumar, Deswal Trades, subscribe to everyone in the world. Did you look at gold today? I never look at gold. It's just to get people who watch gold videos to watch my stream that I write NQ and gold. Otherwise, it's just NQ. But yeah, that's my secret. All right, so let's see what the market wants to do. And there is a quick push higher. I want to wait for at least a breakout from here. Well, it might reach the 200% target by the time it breaks out. I think it might have to be a 30-second trade. Let's see. All right, so let's see what this candle does. I'm liking it, but I want to see what this candle does. And my long position will look something like this. So I'll not place my stops here. I'll place my stops under this. To be honest, I'll place it under this because if it goes under that, then it's going to take everyone out. And I'm just going to aim for 450% for this. That's a massive move. I'll just go 400%. That still looks better. But let's see. Let's see. Nothing yet. There's no confirmed displacement. I still want to wait more. How's 1 minute looking? There's a tiny fair value gap right now. There's no fair value gap now. Best thing that can happen is that we sweep these lows. Like if we can sweep these lows right over here, these equal lows, that would be the best. So sweep these lows and then basically turn around. That would be better opportunity for us, I think. So let's just wait and see whether that can happen. Oh, make one more equal low otherwise. It just decides to make another equal low. So we have a 30-second BPR. This could be the judgment time. Damn it, it didn't sweep those lows and it just basically created another equal low there. Come on, go sweep it. Let's get rid of this for now. Come on. Oh, okay. Sorry, I forgot to remove this. By the way, if you are looking for a firm to be able to trade futures with, it's Humble Funding. Just fucking scan that QR code again and go join Humble Funding. They have pretty decent prices. I have to say it every day. I know you guys are basically pissed with me marketing something, but well, you know, Yesterday I ordered pizza and it's too expensive, so I need to make some affiliate money to be able to buy pizzas. So please do go and use my code so that I can make a little bit and then you get some discounts as well. You don't pay me anything, they pay me. It's more about them paying me. So fucking use my code, guys. And my kid is just singing outside. I don't know why. He's like 2 months old, but he can sing. Still very slow. No fair value gaps as of now. Just keeping my eyes on this liquidity and then the BPR below. There goes the liquidity. Now I just want to see this push up, close above maybe on this 30 seconds. If it can do that, then I will be trying this as a half risk trade. Let's see. I go shit. So let's see what it does when it tries to retouch it. So the 1 minute hasn't closed inside, so there's no trade. The 1 minute is closing outside now. Let's see. 40 seconds to go. Still there is, remember guys, there's still not a single fair value gap on 1 minute. It might form one now, but as of now, there's none. So this could be the first, I think there is a fair value gap now. 841.50. Yeah, there's a tiny one, 0.25 cents. He could be the next Bollywood star. Can I sing? Well, yeah, you don't want to hear me sing. My name is Singh. That's the only thing that I can do in terms of singing. All right, let's see. Oh, sorry, I forgot to remove the widget again. Cool, cool, cool. So still waiting. There's nothing to trade yet. We have reached that 5 minute BPR that I was talking about, and we are getting a very beautiful bounce out of it. So just waiting to confirm a confirmation that this market wants to go higher. If we do a change in state of delivery, so this is the trade I'll be looking at. If we do a change in state of delivery, I will be taking a trade here. Okay. Come on. So still waiting for a change in state, not yet entered. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm in. Oh, stop losses over here. Confirm. All right. So I'm in a trade around 2.37 hour total. So let's see what we get. If we get a clean move or not. I'll be kind of aggressive with my stops once we reach this area. I'll not take a TP, but I'll be aggressive with my stops over here. So let's see. Yeah, it's a good sweep of the low and a good reaction of the sweep as well. So the only thing that you are waiting for now is that can we go above this BPR on 30 seconds? Even though it is 30 seconds and even though there is no 1 minute fair value gap or anything, you just want price to push above it. Because if it cannot push above that, then there is no use. So yeah, let's see. That's a good V-shaped recovery, but what measures a good recovery is how you perform above highs. And the first high that you have where you want to see performance is right over here. So until it goes above that, it is still kind of bearish, in my opinion. Not bearish, I mean kind of bearish. You know what I mean? Like it's not like a trend has been set. So until it reaches the first high, there's nothing you can do. All right, nice push. Good start, but yeah, that's what scares me when we are coming close to a high and we basically lose momentum like that. You don't want that to happen. You want a clean push through the high and then you can stall a bit after you have gone above the high and closed above it. If you do not do that, then yeah, it's just not the right price action you're looking for. So good closure above. Now you don't want to close below. That's the most important thing. So let's see whether we can push above that area. I would take a TP if I were you. If you want to take a TP, you can take a TP here. I think that should be your 1 hour. Come on, just go here. So your 1 hour is literally somewhere around here. So take a TP once we go above this area on 1 hour. I'll not take a TP. I'll take a TP on 250%. I'll literally exit the trade completely. So, but yeah, in this case, I'll move my stops to break even now. So take a TP. I move my stops to break even. Let's see what happens here. So Iliada is saying there's a 1 minute back-to-back fair value gap. That thank you, Iliada. You are the best. So the targeting is basically this is 200%. That's 450%, which is in line with the previous 5 minute acceleration gap, 200 and 250%. So that is where I want to target. And I will just move my stop TP, final TP over here instead of up there, because I don't want it to be like stuck. So 2.33 hour. I think that was the original place where I put it. So I hope you guys have taken a TP. I'm not taking a TP because that's what I want to trade this today, like, because I'm basically waiting for either a flush on the upside or a flush on the downside. So I'm not going to be TPing out, but I'll just use my stops as a way to exit a trade if it doesn't go in my favor. So be aggressive with my stops instead of being aggressive with my TP. Now I feel I should have taken a TP. But yeah, I'm just waiting for a new high to be created. If it is, then I'll just move my stops under here, under the next low that is there. So completely fine if I get stopped out. I don't care. I hope you guys have taken a TP. Or you have only one contract. Yeah, the stops were very big, 123. So obviously, I can understand. Downside flush, I think. Well, it could happen. It could very well happen, but until it happens, you really cannot say it. But yeah, it has swept all the liquidity now. It has taken all the liquidity it wanted. If it really wants to go down, this is the right moment. And what you can be waiting for is, to be honest, I'm gonna move my stops over here, right? I think that we are in the perfect spot just over here. It's fine. I'm not moving the stops. Just on that AG, that's the place where your stop should be. What's 2 minutes doing? So 2 minute is basically retesting this fair value gap. Oh, that is a shit candle. That looks like a fucking shit candle. And only 1 minute to go for this closure. Oh fuck, that looks like a shit candle. You really want to pray that this candle, basically the next candle pushes higher instead of lower. Otherwise, this is going to be a break-even trade. Well, for you, smooth, because you took a TP, not for me. I should have taken a TP. Now coming to think of it, taking a TP would have been a better choice. I don't care. It's okay. It's part of the game. I make decisions and then sometimes I'll regret it. Sometimes I'll be happy about it. Like if this would have straight away gone up, I would have been up 2.33 hour and minus 0.5 hour from morning. So this would have been like plus 1.8 hour. But right now it is still minus 0.5 hour. What I want to see now is, can we invert this and can we go below this and close below this? But I will not take a short until the 2 minute order block is inverted, which is this order block, which has swept all the liquidity from above. So this is still an order block for me, right? You can take this ILM trade. That is, you take a trade from here, you put your stops above here. That's $150 stop loss, which I don't really want to take, right? So I'm just waiting for some sort of direction from the market to confirm that I can trade this if I want to. As of now, just stopped out, so it doesn't matter. As of now, just looking at this fair value gap. Can we close above it again? If we do, I'll take another trade. So if let's say we close above it, I'll take another shot at it from here and again target the same area. We'll get 3.45 hour this time. So let's see. How is 30 seconds looking? Good. So let's see if we close above this. There is a BPR over here as well. So there's a lot of not so clear price action all the way. So just wait and watch. This looks good now. So if I take this, this would be the trade and 3 hour. All right, I'll try another one over here. Let's see how it goes. Ah, fuck you, fuck you. No, 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 no. Ah, fucking hell. I made a mistake. All right, create limit, market. I can't enter 4 now, so I'll need to enter 3. Buy. Okay, cool. This one goes here. Confirm. This one goes here. And this goes up here. So fuck, I would have gotten 3 something R. Now I'm getting 2 R. That's fine. Whatever we are getting, we are getting. Ah, should have gotten a better R. That's fine though. So that move basically makes me move my TP break again to break even. I'm not going to let it go. At the close of this candle, I'm going to go break even. I'm not risking anything. I've already got a late entry, so I want it to keep pushing higher. 20 seconds to go. I'm liking it, but I'm going to move my stops to the body of this candle. Not so much aggression in that candle, so I'm not moving my stops yet. That's a stop out. I think we made around 0 0.5 hours, so at least I'm break even for the day. Now I'm waiting. Now the wait is simple. It's basically close to reaching the top where I think the market should basically stall. But what I want to see is for it to come back a little bit down, right, into this MA if it can, and then basically take a trade from there. So let's see how it goes. So this is what I want to see now. So I want it to come down here. My trade will look something along these lines. So from here, this will be the stop loss, and I'll want to target 450%, but I want it to come down. I don't want to take a trade from here to there. That's not something that I want to trade. Okay, not good. That's fine. That's fine. Looking nice. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. I'm going to take a trade here. I'm going to buy 3 right here where we are. So I'm already in. Sorry if you missed it. But yeah, I'm already in. And my theory is that it goes on to hit the 450% from here straight away. I need to stop trading this low LTF time frame with you guys. Otherwise, you'll never be able to understand what I've done. I'll talk through the trade. So that looks okay-ish. I'm not liking that rejection up top. I'm not liking the rejection up top. So that's something that pisses me off. I want another push higher to see what really happens here. Can you push above that high? You looks like you want to. Okay, I'm gonna move my stops to break even on this. So if the market gets rejected over here, then it's basically going way down beyond that where I want it to. So yeah. So that's around 3.87 hour. So this I'm going to move my stops to this candle because I want another opportunity lower. So this is my way of scalping, guys. That's how I make around 13, 14, 15 hour in a day. I hope you now see what I do and why I always used to say I really can't share my 15-second trades. Because I trade candles and I basically see candles and use those as so good push up. So I'm going to move my stops to the low of this candle. Kind of stalling. I don't like it. So I can't move my stops because that's a bearish candle. So I need to wait. If I get stopped out, that's fine. Doesn't matter. So I think we'll be stopped out on this one. So that's completely okay. So stopped out on that. That's another, what, 1.82 hour in the bag. So yeah, overall around 2.5, 2.6 are up for the day, for the session. Because that's what I want to see now. I don't want to take a bullish trade now. So I want to basically mark this area and I'm going to look for a short trade. Okay, I'm going to go down further lower. I don't know if you guys are able to catch these trades or not. I don't know how many YouTubers trade 5 seconds, like live, or 15 seconds live. I don't know. Do you guys know? How many YouTubers do trade like 5 or 15 seconds live, like literally on a fucking stream? Not yet. There's no trade yet. No trade yet. No trade yet. Kumar hasn't seen any. If Kumar hasn't seen, I'm quite sure there's none. Okay, so now I think we are getting a trade soon. So the trade entry would look something along these lines. I really, really, really would love if this price comes back and retest this BPR. If not, then we can still frame something, but I think that will be a forced entry. Like I would love to long here. Like this could be a good long if you want to kind of take this. Like stop loss over here, but if you want to be really tight, put your stops just under, yeah, just over here. So put your stops here and aim for this box. I mean, I'm not taking that. That's 3R. The reason I'm not taking that is because I feel it's pushing the limit because it can go lower from here, but it does look good. So putting stops here and then just targeting the box again. But overall, that's fine. I think it looks good now for a short. It's starting to build for a short position. Okay, so short position will come from 2 minutes. So we have a fair value gap. We have the order block. This is the nice little, okay, let's get rid of all this. This is the nice little area that you want to kind of see what happens in. Okay, so let's go. Okay, cool. I'm going to take another long here and I'm going to target this 400% right up top, right over here. So don't go too much risk into this one. I'm going to go only 2 contracts. So that would basically put me, how much is 78 into 2, 156, $300 loss. So around $350 loss max. So I'm going to buy here. Stop loss is going to be under this. So I'll tell you the reason I'm taking this. It could basically backfire quite badly. Like it could just straight away go down, but I want to trade the unicorn. So this is the unicorn that we are looking at, right? And this is the fair value gap area that we are looking at. So I want to see how we react in here. You can also, if you want, if you really, really want, you can put your stops under the MA. I would not object against it, but I want to put it like under the body of this, at least the body of this candle, like right over here. Yeah, you can put your stops under the body. I'll put my stops under the body as well. So getting around 4.85 hour overall. So let's just put it there. So if we can see one push out of it, that would be more than enough for me to move my stops. Because if you go above into this fair value gap and you get rejected, then that bullish leg is over, in my opinion. So what I want to see is that we have one candle which pushes up and then the next candle goes through it. If that cannot happen, then most likely the bullish leg is over. To be honest, the way this candle is forming, it looks like the bullish leg is over. So we moved it just a slight bit, so that's fine. Oh, come on. We are right in the spot where I would be like, fucking hell, just push. Because if you can't push from here, then you're most likely just stopping me out. And you can push from this area, but I don't want price to go into that area. I want it to push from where it is, to be honest. Yeah, I don't want it to go. I think drugs are safer than 15-second entries. It depends. It depends which drug you're doing. 15 seconds, it's, see, 15-second entries are not that tough. You need experience to read the market quite quickly and understand what the market wants to do. But the most important thing is to be able to know where is that higher time frame pulling towards. Because if you are aware where the higher time frame pull is pulling towards, you can literally trade like the way I was doing, where I made like 3.5 hour, whatever we made during that period, right? I don't even know. I'll basically count it later on. Whatever R we made, that doesn't matter. What matters is I knew the execution because I knew where it wants to head towards. So once you know that, it gets very, very easy for you to execute. Yeah. So it depends person to person. Some people find it quite easy. Like I find it easy to go to sub, 1 minute and be able to trade. Some people find it very, very difficult for them to do. It's just person to person, how they trade, what their personality is, how they manage their risk and all that. So yeah. So I'm not liking that we're not able to push above those highs. I really want us to push. I need one candle to be able to push above these. Otherwise, yeah, I'm not liking that trade otherwise. Hopefully this candle. Hopefully. 15 seconds looking. Yeah, it has to be this candle. Because if it isn't this candle, then the next candle is stopping us out. Next at least 1 minute candle. Okay, that's not bad. Could reject 0.89. It could reject anywhere, my friend. I mean, it could reject anywhere, but what I am trading is this. So we have come back into discount and we are pushing out of it. So my theory is that if price is really bullish, then it's come back into discount. It swept this low. It swept, done in a turtle soup. Now it should go on to create a new high. So yeah, that's how I see it. Like it could reject from anywhere, honestly. My thesis is simple. If price wants to go in one direction, it will come back into discount and push. And if it can't push, then obviously shorts are gonna get opened up for us later on and we can take shots. So that's the head into that BPR. So that's the BPR that I was looking at initially. So that's the head into the BPR that we will look that was there. What you want is to go above this BPR pretty aggressively, not like put your head up and come down back. If you want to go above this, you want to be very, very aggressive with it. So let's see whether we can do that. And not like next candle. I want this candle to close above it. Next candle closing above it, yeah, fine, I'll be happy. But this candle in the next 5 seconds needs to push higher and try to close above it, and it didn't, and it fucked up then. Now, yeah, that's not good. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even on this trade. So break even on this trade. I don't want to give anything back. If it goes up, that's great. If it doesn't, then fuck the market. To be honest, I'm going to move my stops to 29048. So at least it pays back my fees and maybe some coffee money. If it stops me out, I don't care. Yeah, fine. Out of it. Fuck it. Fuck it. It didn't want to work, and I don't want to see that. So now what we want is a change in state of delivery, and then try to make a short if we can. How many minutes to 3 p.m. open? 4 hourly candles about to close. One more minute to 4 hourly closure. If we go above this BPR, I'll take the long again, by the way, but with power. As of now, it looks like a very good short, honestly. Depends on how you see it, Kumar. Asia high sweeps, you know, it could very well happen. But as I said, I'm not giving too much importance to that liquidity area. I said that before the stream started. I'm not giving too much importance to that area. What I'm waiting for is to see how this candle opens and what this candle wants to do. Because I really want to short. If we stay below this MA, then I will start looking for shorts. Because right now it's a proper 50% touch. So there are two trades that are happening here. Okay, number one, if you close above this MA in this 1 minute candle, this is the first trade, 66 points, and then you're again targeting that 400%. If you start closing below and you do a change in state of delivery, then that's the short trade that you'll be looking for. So there are two trades that are forming, and you just need to be patient with both of them. 10 seconds. There's no fair value gap here. Let's see. How about a CISD from London sweep OB or a short on close below? So the London sweep OB is... You can do that, yes. If it closes below this, yes, you can take a short. I agree with you, Vadya. If it closes below, you can take a short, and you can basically plan a long that if the market sweeps this and then does a change in state of delivery, then there is a long there as well. But I think if this candle closes below, I would rather take a short and take it lower. But just wait for CISD to happen, confirmation. True day open is right there as well. Okay, I'm going to take a stab at it, just a small stab. So stops will be above this BPR. Okay, and I will be targeting all the way low. So most likely EDL. Oh, that's too much. I'll just target this liquidity. Fuck it. But let's say, oh, thank you. Thank you. I was just targeting. It. Good. There is one more BPR just above. Does it matter? On the 1 minute time frame, this one, the first one matters to me, not the second one. I'll give more importance to the first one that's there. So this is more important to me. Yeah, it's a nice bounce of the order block as well. So the unicorn, you can just wait for another opportunity. Hmm. I see, fine. Let's see if we can go above that BPR and close above. Okay, I'll plan another trade here for a long position, just targeting all the way high, but let's just wait for the closure to happen. Just waiting onto it yet, not yet entered. Because the third candle of the acceleration gap is a weaker fair value gap, I'm just waiting for it to confirm that it can bounce out of it. If it can't, then I'll not enter. So no entry yet. Because of this specific candle, I'm basically stalling my entry. No other reason. So I'm stalled on the entry, not taken the entry yet. Still waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting. Nothing to see now. I think Kumar's point of Asia high sweep might be the one that this market is building up for. Still waiting. Nice. ES has gone on to hit Asia high. Good. So this is the trade that comes up. Just let it build. But you need to worry about this turtle soup here. All right, let's just give it a couple more minutes. Take this away. Manoj Reddy. What the fuck people use 30 seconds to? Man, I trade on 5 seconds. You want to join me? We just made around 3 hours. I mean, some people made more trading just 15 seconds. Okay, I like it. I like it. Don't worry, you'll be fine. It doesn't matter what time frame you trade. What matters is how much control you have on the time frame that you trade. Okay, I'm going to try that long on the close of this candle with stops under this 54-point stop, and I'll go for like 3 hour trade. Let's see. Okay, cool. Well, again, it's getting rejected. Let's go. That's fine. Let's just wait. Let's see the closure here. What has changed in state? Yeah, let's enter. All right, so I'm in. Stops are under here. So that's less than 1 hour maybe, because 1 hour was a bit lower. That's 59 points into 2 contracts. Could have taken 3 contracts, but that's fine. So what I want to see is the next candle, the following candle that happens, basically pushes through this high. If it can't, then yeah, it's just my last trade of the day. I'll be done after that. I'll not take another trade. So I want this candle to be the catalyst candle. So in the direction that I want. So I would love it to be a bullish candle, but it most likely is the candle that's like building out the whole trade itself. So I want it to be the catalyst candle to basically push through the high. If it can, that would be great. If it can't, then fuck it. It can't right now. But this, I want it to happen quickly. Otherwise, there's no use of this trade. What we are trying to trade is a push, quick push up or down. So that's why I want it to happen quickly. The more we stay, basically, the more we stay below this 1 minute BPR, the chances of us going higher keep reducing. That's why you want it to kind of push through very quickly. It was not that candle, but the next candle, I'm happy if this candle is the one. So good closure, at least above the BPR. Now you want it to sustain it. If it can't sustain, then that's most likely the stop loss. Okay, there's the push. What I want to see now is basically don't come down, because if it comes down, then you're started to getting rejected from this upward trend line, which will form the rising wedge that I don't want to see. So this will be the rising wedge that will form after that. So you want it to push out of it. You don't want it to get stuck there. That's the point where if it gets stuck, it's fucked. So I'm just going to wait. So I'm going to wait for maybe one more candle before moving my stops. I'll wait for one more candle after this before moving my stops. So the rising wedge is playing out now then. For the rising wedge, the liquidity is this, basically below our stop loss. Yeah, I'll not like that, but it's okay. It's part of the game. Losing is part of the game as much as winning is. So it is what it is. You take the losers on your chin and just move on. What's 1 minute doing? Yeah, that fucking BPR was turned around and then again it's getting rejected from there. So now the rejection might come in if we don't close inside. That's your turtle soup. Come on, push higher. Good. So that's the little head and shoulder failure, which should try to push us towards this high again, if it is really that. There's a tiny head and shoulder that has formed there, so it should push us towards this high. Once we take that high, I'm going to go break even and let the trade sit there. Okay, time to go break even, guys. So I'm going to go below this low. So that's break even. If I get stopped out, it's because see, we are trading inside a rising wedge. It can get rejected anytime. So if you want to TP out, you can TP out. It's a bloody 15 seconds trade, right? So that's completely fine by me. I'm just going to move it here. My fees is covered. If it comes down, then it's basically rejecting from the rising wedge. And I think that should happen. But overall, it's created a new high. Again, lack of displacement above the high. Clean, it doesn't want to push higher. So I just want to make sure that I am safeguarded. So that's why I moved break even so quickly. But let's see. If it goes up, it's a risk-free trade. If it keeps going higher, that's great. We make money and we enjoy our life. If it doesn't, then there's nothing against it. There's no problem. So that's my stop out in profit. That's fine. Small profit. Uh, I would be done for the stream now. But what I want to see is, as Kumar said, if the Asia high is taken and we don't show any acceleration above it, I would love for us to take a trade there for a short, for a long as well. It's the same theory. If Asia high is taken and we start going higher, happy to take a long again. But thank you so much. You gave me 58 minutes of your time, your life, had a chat with me. I really appreciate it. And Osiris, were you able to join back? You haven't joined back yet. Osiris, bro, I want you back in. What's happening? You there? Do you have the link? Let me share the link with you. Wait. So for people who are not on my Discord, fucking join my Discord. So no limit. Link expired. Who the fuck made that link? Okay, generate new link. All right, try this link. I posted in the comment section. So people who are new to the YouTube stream and they want to join the Discord, this is the link. I'm on Discord, but not sure about X. You don't need to be on X if you're on Discord, or if you want to if you want to follow me on X, you can follow Squid Traders. That's basically my handle. I don't have a handle personally. It's just Squid Traders handle. Osiris, I'm keeping an eye on joiner lever. Till the time you join in, I'm not going to end the stream. Come on. This is the link. Guys, if you want to join Discord, this is the bloody link. Join in. Will empty Brave browser cache. What's your username? Send it to me. I'm gonna ping you. Have you ever talked to me? Osiris. There you are, Osiris 101, right? There you go. You are on Discord, Osiris. I can see you. Oh no, we don't have any servers in common. I've sent you a friend request, and I'll send you a wave. I can't send you a wave. I've sent you a friend request on Discord. So come on, accept it, and I'll invite you from there. Don't worry, man. I want you there. Perfect. Take care. Bye bye, and I love you all. I'll see you tomorrow morning London session in Discord. So tomorrow morning London session will be traded with everyone in Discord. So you will get a gist of what we do in London session with the mentees and an understanding of how we basically trade in the mentorship group. So I'll see you there tomorrow morning, and later on in the afternoon, you will have Hamza with you in Discord as well. So have a lovely day and take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy. Bye-bye.